Hi, I'm Rina Lopez Bautista of the Knowledge Channel Foundation. I hope you and your family are well and safe during this time of enhanced community quarantine. Together with our partners ABS-CBN and the Philippine Association of Communication Educators, or PACE, we're happy to announce that we received 45 entries for Knowledge Channel's class project Intercollegiate Mini-Documentary Competition 2019. It's truly unfortunate, though, that this year's awarding ceremony could not push through. However, we would still like to recognize the winners within the bounds of the ECQ, as they deserve to be recognized. I'm proud to announce the 10 winning documentaries. These documentaries were judged based on a strict set of criteria on content, production quality, narrative flow, and impact, established by experts in the field of media and television, covering topics on Knowledge Channel Foundation's core values of social justice, passion to serve, commitment to holistic learning, integrity, and nationalism. These are values that are critical, especially in a crisis like the COVID-19 pandemic. Here are the 7 documentaries that made it to the top 10. They will each be receiving a certificate and a cash prize of 5,000 pesos. Hachiko ng Lapu-Lapu from Cebu Normal University. Aruga from Urdaneta City University. Hiling sa Dapit Hapon from Lyceum of the Philippines University, Laguna. Iskolar ng Mercado from Palawan State University. Ang Munting Karera ni Vash from University of Makati. City Painted in Red from St. Louis University. Binhi from Palawan State University. And for the top 3, they will be getting a certificate, a trophy, and cash prizes of 30,000, 20,000, and 10,000 for first, second, and third place winners. For third place, mga batang Anipa from University of Makati.
Kailangan nilang tumawid at bago siguro makarating dito sa school, mga 30 minutes to 1 hour.
For second place, Kulitan from University of Makati.
Ang kulitan ay ang Kapampangan equivalent ng baybayin.
And for first place, it's Sir Jenny from University of Makati.
Ako kasi talagang nilaan ko yung buhay ko sa kanila.
Congratulations, you have done yourselves and your universities proud. May you all inspire even more students to keep making documentaries that help weave and preserve the narrative of the Filipino people. Stay safe, everyone. Mabuhay tayong lahat.